Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage mutual funds with E-Trade, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the E-Trade homepage. Log into your E-Trade account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the top menu. Click on Accounts to view your portfolio and investment options. Find the Mutual Funds section within your account overview. Click on Mutual Funds to explore available funds. Use the search bar to find specific mutual funds you are interested in. Review the displayed options and check details such as performance, fees, and investment strategy. Once you have identified a fund you wish to invest in, click on its name for more information. Read through the fund's prospectus and key facts to understand its objectives and risks. If you decide to invest, look for the Buy button on the Funds page. Select the amount you want to invest and any investment options applicable. Review your order details to ensure everything is correct. Confirm your order by clicking Submit or Confirm. Once your order is submitted, you'll receive a confirmation email from E-Trade. Monitor your investments by regularly checking the Accounts tab. You can also set alerts for significant changes in your mutual fund's performance. Review your overall portfolio periodically to make informed decisions. Consider rebalancing your portfolio based on your financial goals and market conditions. If needed, seek assistance from E*Trade's educational resources for further guidance. Stay informed about market trends and economic factors that may affect your mutual funds. Utilize E*Trade's tools to assess fund performance over time. Regularly consult your investment strategy to ensure alignment with your financial objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.